MICE TV is back at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Center for another round of conference highlights. Day 2 of WCPOS V kicked off with a plenary session for young ophthalmologists, offering invaluable insights for residency, post-residency, and beyond. In the exhibition hall, the Poster Village was a bustling center of discovery, showcasing videos as well as posters, including an in-depth session on binocular vision. After lunch, Professor Dr. P. Vijayalakshmi from India delivered the non-strabismus keynote address on transforming visual disability into ability, emphasizing that sight is a right, not a privilege. And that concludes our Inside Look at WCPOS V Day 2. Reporting from Malaysia, I'm Diana Jom for MICE TV.